और चौथा मैच आज का एलीट ईगल्स और माइटी मार्विक्स के बीच में।
Isra Pereira as the skipper of the Elite Eagles, and to his left, TM Dilshan, skipper of the Mighty Mavericks. Who's going to have the coin? Tisra does. Flip it. What's the call? Heads is the call. And heads it is. Dilshan, walk on over. You've seen a bit of the action so far or not? What are you going to do?
Yeah, I saw the last match is going really well. I think we tried to bowl first. Wicket is a little bit greeny. I tried to take the advantage.
Wicket's very green, that's for sure.
बहुत कुछ हुआ और शुरुआत हुई है अब यहाँ से एक और बाउंड्री के साथ। और ये शॉर्ट ऑफ गेंद तो यहाँ पर नहीं छोड़ेंगे तिलक परेरा। यहाँ तो गेंद बाहर ही जाएगी और बाहर से दानी पड़ेगी आपको। और एक बार फिर और ये बढ़िया शुरुआत वहाँ पर और एक गेंद।
Talking downstairs earlier at the toss, and he also mentioned that some of these quick bowlers are really quick.
लेफ्ट आर्म ओवर द विकेट और फुल टॉस गेंद को निकाल दिया वहाँ पर लॉक ऑफ के ऊपर 6 रन के लिए। बढ़िया स्ट्रोक वहाँ पर, अच्छी शुरुआत इस ओवर की। गेंद फुल टॉस और उठाकर खेला जाते थे। थोड़ा मिस टाइम हुआ शॉट।
The easy catch, there it is again. Played it too soon with that short arm jab. Popped it up and an easy catch for the man running in.
अच्छी गेंद, फुल टॉस गेंद और क्या शानदार वापस स्ट्रोक और एक्स्ट्रा और बाउंड्री के बाद 6 रन के लिए। और यॉर्कर होते हुए और 3 बोल्ड वहां पर।
6 and out. Here it is again. Very straight, slightly pace off. Mead played that shot too soon. Up in the air, should be easy as a return catch. Well bowled. The 4th wicket now falls.
अच्छा कॉर्नर बोल्ड वहां पर वैभव द्वारा और बहुत जोर से मारने की कोशिश की उन्होंने। अगर गेंद को वेट करके खेलते तो शायद अच्छा खेल जाते, मगर ऐसा हुआ नहीं। स्मार्ट कैप्टन है, स्मार्ट प्लेयर है और बढ़िया स्ट्रोक और एक और विकेट। 5वां झटका लगता हुआ दिलशान बहुत खुश है वहां पर और देखिए बहुत शानदार तरीके से गेंदबाजी की और सीधा वहां पर लॉग ऑफ पर कैच पकड़ा वहां पर और एक और झटका लगता हुआ वहां पर। ये 6ठा विकेट गिर चुका है और केवल दूसरे ओवर के अंदर ही।
Easy for the keeper. There it is. Just swung a little too soon. And the keeper rushes in. Gagan takes an easy catch. The second one's quicker, but this too may not go all the way because it'll hit the rafters and drops in and then bounces away.
और ये किया है उन्होंने डिफरेंट। लास्ट बॉल पर एक बढ़िया स्ट्रोक वहां पर आता हुआ और 6 रन के साथ ओवर समाप्त।
Nicely ball, flat hit. Barely at the tip, it marginal for a 6. Good effort, but just not good enough.
आखिरी गेंद सिंगल मिलने की कोशिश थी, वहां चांस बना रन आउट का, बिल्कुल मौका था, देखना पड़ेगा। थर्ड अंपायर के लिए गए हैं वहां पे, अब बिल्कुल फ्रेम में भी नहीं है बल्लेबाज।
Nice to have you here. What do you have to say? How do you feel? All right, this is lead-in. This is live action. Luck is not so much in our favor today, Sadi.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Luck is on our side.
Is it the team or is it suddenly me? I don't know.
No, it's not. I'm not leaving.
It's just us. All of the park. But she's right. As you can hear the noise in the background, the hoot, the dance, the cheer. Everything. It's so cool. It's so cool. No, but that has to be true because, you know, after a certain gap, this was long due. This was something which all of us were waiting for when it comes to Elite Eagles. And finally, there's a little bit of stepping stone.
I think it's you.
It's me, guys.
Like, seriously, I'm not.
I
I
agree.
just have to hold on to you. Let's see. Let's see.
And
He's
okay,
coming.
He's coming. He's gonna come. Yeah.
What's gonna happen?
Very, very, very true. It's surely gonna come. My support is fully there. My love is fully there. Anything that you would like to say for all the fans out there? Anything that they can, you know, watch out for?
I think that this is such an amazing league, and it's so much fun to watch. And I hope you guys enjoy watching just as much as we are. And I'm hoping that my team is going to turn around right now and win this game. So far, it's a little sad, but I think we got it. I'm praying. Eagles soar, they soar high, and we're going to touch the sky, And hopefully we're going to win.
Indeed you are, because the tables are turning. This is it with Sunny Leon back to comes.
Thank you, ladies. And make it and a wicket. 4 dot deliveries, the 5th ball, trying to go for the big one, which he has to do. ये सारे नंबर मिलते हैं प्रदीप को. छोटा एरिया था पर मिड विकेट का खिलाड़ी मौजूद और एक और सफलता यहाँ पे. सामने जरूर खेला और एक और सफलता यहाँ पे. निशांत है वहाँ मौजूद.
They could see a lofted drive and straight to the fielder Dilshan, the captain, making no mistakes.
But every time there's a new challenge. Oh, that's poor fielding. When you have got 67 to defend, you can't do this.
इस बार मौका रहेगा विकेट लेने का. विकेट कीपर ने कोई गलती नहीं की. जब भी कसी हुई लाइन और लेंथ पर गेंदबाजी करते हैं तो बैटर के ऊपर दबाव बनता है और वही दबाव कई बार अतिरिक्त प्रयास करने के लिए विवश करता है. दिखाई देते हैं. बिल्कुल विद इन विकेट टू विकेट बॉल पिच हुई थी. क्रॉस द लाइन खेलने की कोशिश की, परिणाम विकेट के रूप में पहला विकेट गंवा दिया इसी के साथ माइटी मैवरिक्स ने. इस बार मौका मिला. जोरदार शॉट 6 रनों के लिए.
Finally a boundary for Dilshan. He must breathe easy now. He's got away. Oh, this is scoop.
जोरदार शॉट 6 रन मिलेंगे.
Perfect tandem. This one again has gone up. It's cleared it. So back-to-back sixes again. Parallel six. This is better. The ball came out nicely. Now you can see the timing is coming.
40 रन एक विकेट के नुकसान पर. यहाँ पर स्कोर हो जाएगा 47. एक और करारा धमाकेदार शानदार बाउंड्री 6.
Is entitled to that. This is a 6 again.
जॉक कराया, बॉल को खेला. जोरदार शॉट 6 रनों के लिए. इसी के साथ 9 विकेट से माइटी मैवरिक्स ने इस मैच को जीत लिया.
In spite of this 2 overs in the beginning where they didn't get many and they lost a wicket, look at that. This helicopter shot is supposed to go on the leg side, but this is an offside helicopter shot. So emphatic win for the Mavericks. Mighty Mavericks have played like mighty Mavericks. Elite Eagles will need to fly in the next game. Look at the Bonhomie. I like this. You know, their smiles on the face. They're praising. They're appreciating the kind of display. They know that they didn't come to the party today, Eagles, when they batted first. And in spite of winning the toss and batting, they do put up the total on board. So we'll be joining shortly for the presentation, but this is the winning shot. Look at that. The bat swing, this helicopter, the ball after the shot was finished, went for 6.